And because you were brave, ta-da!
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Thank you, Dr. Elephant.
Sounds like someone is still very hungry.
And I know just what I want.
All that bravery at the dentist has made Peppa extra hungry.
George, come back!